If we have a network design like this one, then let us analyze how many devices we can have on one subnet with the chosen IP ranges. We will in detail look into the server LAN and look into how many and what IP addresses we have available for devices on this LAN. We have chosen the 192.168.13.0/24 as the IP range for the server LAN. This IP range has to be defined by our router, or in other words, we have to configure the router in accordance with our network design. In our network design, we have chosen that the server LAN should be hanging out of the router interface GE002. In our design, we have chosen the 192.168.13.0 as our subnet ID. In our design, we have chosen the 192.168.13.1 as our router interface IP address. Our aim here is to analyze how many devices our design allows on the server LAN. And this is linked to our choice of subnet mask, the /24. The /24 means that our subnet mask is a consecutive string of ones 24 from left to right. It is our chosen subnet mask that defines what IP addresses we have available. Where it says 1 in the subnet mask, we cannot change any bit. But where it says 0 in the subnet mask, we can put in any combination of 0 and 1s in our IP address. In binary, that are the combinations 8 zeros up to 8 1s. In decimal, that is the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 255. And our conclusion is that a /24 network allows for 256 IP addresses. Some of the IP addresses are pre-reserved, like the 0, which is reserved for the network ID. The 0 IP address should not be given to any device. The 255 address is reserved for broadcast, and the 255 address should not be given to any device on the network. With our /24 subnet design here, we then end up with 254 available addresses for the devices that we want to put on this network. Out of the 254 addresses, we have used the .2 address for our PC4. And out of the 254 available addresses, we have chosen to give the .1 address to GE002 on the router. With the choices made in our design, we have the addresses from 3 to 254 available for new devices that we want to put on this network, the server LAN.